everyone, let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. Yellow color, purple color, light pink color, dark green color, green color, light pink color, sky blue color, blue color, red color, grey color, light brown color, orange color, light yellow color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Hexagon, pentagon, square, circle, triangle, rectangle, maroon color, hexagon, hexagon, maroon color, dark green color, pentagon, 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 dark green color, light brown color, square, square, light brown color, pink color, circle, circle, light pink color, orange color, triangle, triangle, orange color, pink color, rectangle, rectangle, pink color, maroon color, dark green color, light brown color, light pink color, orange color, pink color, hexagon, pentagon, square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.